Hi everybody, welcome back to the HardReset.Info channel. Today I'm going to tell you how to scan the QR code with your brand new Samsung Galaxy S25 FE. So we have two possible ways of doing so. At first, scroll to the control panel here, from the top right corner as you can see to the middle, and prolong this menu over here. Here somewhere you have to find the scan QR code button. It's here. If you tap that, you will open the find the QR code menu. And now, wait a moment, I need to open my QR code. Here is my QR code. And now we just have to navigate with our camera to find this QR code. This is the link, we can tap that, and this is some company meme of our HardReset.Info website. And this is the first way of doing so. The second way of taking the scanning the QR codes is opening the camera application and just navigating to the QR code. Now you can tap this link, and this is the same meme as you can see. How to wash your nasty little hands. And that's it. Hope it helps you and have a nice day. Goodbye.